This video is so late and I'm sure my husband is 100% happy that I'm finally going to film it. I bought the Nimya bundle over a month ago. I actually bought it the day it launched, and because I forgot I was in the US and not the UK, it took like a month to be delivered and I'm finally sitting down to film it. I totally forgot when I ordered this that it was in the UK, and right now the US is having an issue with shipping. I don't know if it's specifically California or what, but there's like a lot of cargo ships stuck at the dock in Long Beach, and everything that's coming in or being imported is just kind of stuck sitting there. So that's my excuse. So I bought the bundle to kind of like try to branch out from like Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Skin, and like Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because that's basically all I review. I did review the Kristen Cavallari skincare line and I loved it. I didn't try everything. I got the peptides, the eye cream. Amazing. Like, I will buy the eye cream again for sure. The peptides, I don't really see a big difference to make me want to buy it, but anyway, this is about Nimya, so if you want to see my thoughts and opinions, just keep on watching before you swipe me away or click me on this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna film this in 2 segments because I want to put like whatever I can on, and then I'm gonna film a different video where I'm actually gonna be wearing makeup. The packaging is pretty simple and blue. I really do like the orange and blue contrast to it. I don't know what happened here, like why they're a different tone. This is the little fan, which at first I was like, why do I need this cute little fan? But I'm actually sitting here with my air conditioner off because the air conditioner, oh how cute, it comes with a little base. It is so hot right now. This isn't charged, by the way. And now I wish this was charged because it is so freaking hot in here. Next item is the Berber Cooling Eye Stick, and this is for immediate refreshment of the eyes. It says to use every moment of the day to brighten those fierce eyes. Sweep outer to inner corners of the eye on both upper and lower lids. You guys, I'm so sorry. Just played stop on. My body's killing me. For an even stronger effect, storing your refrigerator. Handy if you're already on a go, already going for a snack. Oh, I get it. Huh, it's cute. Anyway, here is what the packaging looks like. There's, I think, a little instruction manual in here, and it is in a different language, but instant depuffing cooling stick, nourishes and hydrates, use every moment of every day. So I'm definitely not going to use this every single moment of every day. I'll probably use it in the morning, and to be honest, I'm not going to follow the directions. Oh look, it looks like a glue stick kind of, because I don't like to go outer to inner. I do inner to outer. Okay, the first time you swipe that, it is a little, ooh, I feel kind of like a little tingling sensation. Am I depuffed? What does it smell like? Not really a scent at all. I felt a sensation in the beginning. Now I kind of don't feel anything. It's not tacky. Oh, it's tacky up here. Yes, it is. Down here, not so much. Now I feel like it's kind of warm, kind of like icy hot, a little bit. Okay, let's see. Next thing we're going to do is use this Where It All Starts cream. So this is the moisturizer. It's a primer hybrid. So, excuse me, I'm filming here. She doesn't care. She's just gonna continue to ruin the furniture. I should probably move that door out of the way. Anyway, here is the next thing. Oh, that is cool. That is pretty, different, and unique. Okay, so no real scent. This is what it looks like. It looks almost like a putty. And what were the directions for this? Apply on clean face, massage cream into skin until absorbed. Wear it all starts cream by Nimya. Leave comfortable sticky feel. Perfect for everyday glow, plus improving longevity of makeup. Close lid tightly after use. Okay, so I'm not a person that really likes tacky stuff. However, ever since I started using Kristen Cavallari's eye cream, I kind of do like a little bit of tackiness. So I think the tackiness is to help grab about that much. Stick onto your makeup, I don't know. So let's put this on. No real smell, it's not grainy or anything. Where's the camera? This is what it looks like. It does have a thick, lush consistency. Okay, putting it on, there is definitely a scent. I feel like the consistency is like a body butter. It does feel nice. I'm getting a hint of orange, but I don't know if I'm tripping. All right, the next thing I'm gonna use is the License to Glow serum. And this says that this serum is packed, this is cute. This is also pretty big. You guys, I don't remember how much I paid. I think the bundle was like 100 and something plus shipping. I think I paid like $130 for everything. This Glow Pack Serum is all you need when you want a fresh, radiant, and lit from within complexion. Apply to your clean, blank canvas before moisturizer. I did it wrong. Can also be used as a glowy primer before makeup application. Now you glow. Why did I think this was gonna go on beforehand? Now I did the steps wrong, but oh well. Ooh, it's blue. It's really pretty. Guys, oh, okay. If this is how much you're gonna use on a daily basis, this is gonna last you forever. And now I feel bad because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like give a good review on something. One, I'm not using it for a month and then letting y'all know, which I should have done, but I wanted to give you my first impressions. But now if anything happens, you could say it's because I did these steps wrong. This didn't smell like anything. My fingers are very glowy and very moisturized. Maybe I should just take this to work and use it. But anyway, so far everything feels nice and luxurious. Not too much of a scent. This kind of had a hint of orange, but I could be tripping. This didn't really smell like anything, and this didn't either. So the last item that I have is this Set It and Forget It spray. So obviously I know that this is last. Here is this spray. Oh, okay, wrong. I was trying to figure out why there was two different markings, but here we go. Okay, let's just spray it. Okay, that has a scent. That smells pretty. And this says, powerful setting spray for your ultimate soulmate when it comes to keeping your makeup perfectly in place all day. Shake before use, mist the spray before. Oh good, at least I did that part right. During and after applying your makeup. Oh, I guess I did. Are you ready for Nimya look flawlessly all day? Spray away makeup haters and don't forget to fan your face and lock it in. Oh, is that what the fan is for? Okay. Hey guys, so I actually did not finish filming that video on that same day. So this is a different day and I'm actually gonna use it the correct way this time in the order that it says on the packaging. So there I am doing the ID puffer. Now I'm gonna put on the serum. 2 drops, rubbed it in my hands, and now I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer definitely has like a hint of orange like scent to it, I believe, in my opinion, that it does. I could be wrong though, but that's what it smells like to me. And I really do like the moisturizer. I've used it a couple of times now, and I do like it. It does feel a little bit grainy. And last but not least, here is the setting spray. It said I could use it before, during, or after my makeup, so I'm gonna do it during here. And that's it. I am in the middle of doing my makeup and I feel like this primer has made me look like I didn't need as much foundation to, I don't know, make it look good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Kabuki, like, come on, we're filming here. There we go. And I don't know, like, I'll put you more into the light. But I feel like the makeup just, this mist is just from what I sprayed, but I feel like it looks really, really nice. What do you guys think? Okay, so my makeup is done. So I'm gonna add this on. I don't know what that smells like, but I really feel like I needed less makeup to get the same look that I usually go for. So far I like it. I will wear it for a few more hours and then come back and let you know what I think. So I've been wearing the makeup for a couple of hours and it still looks really good. I like everything that I reviewed so far. I don't think I'll buy the eye depuffer again. I do like everything else. Probably not the fan either. I probably don't need that. But I do like the drops. I do like the setting spray and I do like the moisturizer. We are currently gonna go on a date and we are gonna go eat and then go bowling. So I don't feel, and we're in California and we have to wear a mask and I'm 100% compliant with that. So I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to give this a good review if I continue to film because I will have the makeup that's gonna be like washed off or like smeared with the mask. So I'm gonna end the video here and thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.